In round 12, make 2 single crochets followed by a decrease. Repeat that 6 times to finish the round. The stitch count will go down to 18 stitches. Remove the stitch marker, make 2 single crochets, then make a decrease, pick up the front loop of the next stitch and the front loop of the stitch right after it. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Yarn over again, pull through the 2 loops on the hook to complete the decrease. Now make another sequence of 2 single crochets. Then make another decrease. Pick up the front loops only and keep the back loops behind. Complete the decrease. You have completed 2 sequences, 4 more to go. This is how round 12 should look when it's finished. Continue crocheting the remaining rounds in steps 8 and 9 of your plushie. This is how Dora's body should look when it's completed. Cut the yarn leaving a 4-inch tail. Pull it through the last stitch completely. In the next step, you'll learn how to fasten it off.